New to the Heise family of chasing LED products, we introduced the HE-CHASE-COB5M. This 5-meter or 16.4-foot roll of strip lighting uses the new COB LED technology and a built-in white diffuser strip to blend the individual LEDs into a seamless uniform color or pattern, eliminating any visible gaps between them. These chase lighting strips feature 3M double-sided backing on a black base and are IP65 rated to be weather-resistant and perfect for applications where lighting strips need to be visible. Pair these strip lights with the included Heise Connect chasing controller and use the included RF remote to control the controller, or use the Heise Connect app, which offers over 170 pre-programmed color-changing patterns, do-it-yourself color patterns, music sync function, and even turn signal and brake triggers. So join the Heise Connect universe and get the new HE-CHASE-COB5M 5-meter chasing COB LED light kit. Check out this chasing light product and all of our other light products on our website at HeiseLED.com.